Now down into the valley. We're going with our good neighbors, Hank and Thelma. Let's sing another good old timer. When it's homecoming time in Peaceful Valley.
It's homecoming time in Happy Valley. All the folks I used to know are gathered in the grove. The church bells will chime in Happy Valley, calling home the good old friends I love. Folks are going to gather from miles around, having all day singing and a dinner on the ground. Aunts and the uncles and the double first cousins gather around and they beat you about a dozen. I'm going down to Happy Valley, sing the good old songs I used to hear. Talk about singing and a sweet communion, just come around to the big reunion down in Happy Valley once a year. It's homecoming time in Happy Valley. Folks don't sleep till the roosters crow when picnic day comes round. The wild roses climb in Happy Valley, on the road down to the old campground. Folks are coming dressed in a Sunday coat of meat and picnic baskets full of good eat. Some are coming riding and some are coming walking, some are coming singing and some are coming talking. I'll meet you down in Happy Valley when the harvest days have come and gone. I'll be there with a gal named Ida, nibbling cake and sipping cider till they sing that last reunion song.
Hey, thank you, Hank and Thelma.
I was born in Renfro Valley, but I drifted far away. I've been back to see the old home and my friends of other days. Gone were all familiar faces, all the friends I used to know. Things have changed in Renfro Valley since the days of long ago. Others only own plantations, I can call it home no more. Other farms are at the fireside, other children round the door. Other voices sing the old song when the evening sun is low. Mother sang in Renfro Valley in the days of long ago. Take me back to Renfro Valley when I'm free from earthly care. Lay me down by Dad and Mother, let me sleep forever there. When it's springtime in the mountains and the dogwood blossoms blow, we'll be back in Renfro Valley as in days of long ago.
There's a land of true beauty, neath heaven's own blue. There are 4 million people who are proud of her too. Rolling meadows, green valleys, and beautiful springs. Ever onward, Wisconsin, the land of my dreams, where springtime brings flowers and fragrance so rare. The cattle are grazing, there's joy everywhere. In winter, the snowflakes come drifting so free. They called it Wisconsin, but it's heaven to me. As the laughing white waters go dancing along, through scenes of great splendor, it's singing a song. and it's telling a story no mortal can tell, of a picture God painted, the Wisconsin Dells, where springtime brings flowers and fragrance so rare. The cattle are grazing, there's joy everywhere. In winter the snowflakes come drifting so free. They called it Wisconsin, but it's heaven to me. In this land of enchantment on a star-spangled